In today's video, we're talking about affiliate marketing, and in particular, Amazon Associates. Let's get to it. What's up guys, and welcome to TopShelf Media. And normally on my channel I do tech reviews, but today we're going to do something a little different. Today we're talking about Amazon Associates, and the reason for this is because my application for the Amazon Associates affiliate marketing program was finally approved. There are a bunch of YouTubers that use affiliate marketing and that tell you how they go about doing it, but even after watching hours and hours of videos on this topic, I still had and continue to have questions. The biggest one was always, at what point will my application be approved? Now, because I was just approved for this program, that means that there's probably some things that I don't know yet. And I can't give you exact numbers on when your channel will be approved for this program. My goal with this video, though, is to give you guys my story and what I do know about this program. So I've done this application a bunch of times. And when I say a bunch, I mean it. This is a Google Sheet that I made to make sure I was updating all my links for all my videos every time my application was denied and I had to redo them all. And this shows 10 times, and that doesn't count the year I was doing this before I started keeping track this way. One nice thing about using Amazon Associates is that you can use the services while you apply. So I just kept applying. Some months were great, other months were a bust. And when I say great, I mean, I think the most I made was like $25 in 1 month. So not great, but not terrible. I mean, it's better than nothing, right? But inevitably, that denial email would come and I'd have to start all over again. And it was time consuming to do links for every video, every product and every video that I have on my channel. It wasn't until March 13th of 2021 that I finally received the approval email from the Amazon Associates program, and it was great. When I received the email, my channel was sitting at about 520 subscribers, and in the month leading up to that email, I had about 12,000 views and 427 watch hours within that month. Now, I'm not sitting here ready to quit my job because I'm making a bunch of money on YouTube. That's not the case. I think last month, I made, $15. Also, these numbers aren't exact numbers. This is meant to be more of a reference for you if you're thinking about applying to the Amazon Associates program. So now that we've talked about that, I want to touch base on how you go about getting the links through the Amazon Associates program so you can start making some money. And like I mentioned before, I'm sure there's things that I don't know. So if you have any tips, leave them down in the comments. But for now, let's jump over to the computer. Okay, so one thing you're going to notice when you sign up for Amazon Associates and you log into your Amazon account is this site strip at the top. And this comes in very handy. But for right now, we're just going to go ahead and click on right by where it says site strip there. And this takes you to basically your dashboard or your main hub for the Amazon Associates program. There's a lot of information here, but what we're focusing on today is this product linking. So we're going to go product linking, product links, and this is where you go to create the links for the products that you're talking about, whether it's for a YouTube channel, a blog, whatever it is. This is where you go to find those products or get those links for those products. So let's just say I wanted to do Philips Hue, if I can spell it right. And then now I can go through here and scroll down and figure out, what product I am talking about or what product I want to talk about. So let's just say for the sake, I'm going to do this Philips Hue Iris here, where you can say click link. And you can do images and text, you can do just images, or you can do text only, which I do YouTube, so this goes in a description, so I'm going to do text only, and then do short link. Now, I don't have to do anything else with this link. All my information is already embedded in it, and I can just copy, paste it, and it's good to go. But there is an easier way to do this, and the way I do it is I just come in here to the regular Amazon page, right? And you go ahead and type in, let's just type in Philips Hue again. And let's just go ahead and do the same product we were just doing. So in this case, I can say the iris here. And now I can come up here to the site strip where it says get link and do text. And there's my link. So I think it just saves a couple steps. It doesn't take as much time, I think, to find the links and stuff like that. So I like doing it this way. You can do it however you want. Those are two options that you can use. So Yeah, I just think this way is a little easier. Okay guys, that's going to do it for me today. I hope you guys liked this video or at least found it helpful. If you guys did, make sure to give it a like and consider subscribing and ringing that bell to get notified when I post new content. If you like this video and you want to see more videos from me, click on the video right there that YouTube thinks you'll like. Whatever you're doing today, make sure you crush it, and I will see you in the next video.